This is Road Dog 007 from the TW Forums, here with my review on the 510 Tornado. Looks a little like this. As you can see, if you've seen them before, mine does not have a cart in the end right now, and I actually do not have the cone attached, as personally I prefer to vape without it. Many others actually do like to use it, as they believe it tightens up the draw it very well, but I just personally don't like using it myself. It does add quite nicely to the look of the Tornado overall. The Tornado is a great device. It has been doing real well for me. I personally like the amount of vapor it puts off compared to some of the other e-cig products out there, and it's just all around a good product. Many attachments you can actually get for it. This right here is a standard battery, but they also sell a mega battery that is quite a bit longer than this battery here. This here is the standard 510 atomizer, and personally I like to drip myself, so here is one of Totally Wicked's metal drip tips. This is the long drip tip here. This actually just attaches right into the atomizer at the top, leaving you with the unit like this. From here you just go ahead and drip in a few drops of your favorite liquid and vape away. Now let me show you a couple of the other attachments that you can actually get for this to vape in other different various ways. Now this here, the only thing that's actually changed is the atomizer. This is a low resistance atomizer, as you may or may not be able to see. I don't know if the lighting's good enough, but it has a small LR on the gold band to signify its low resistance. This is also another Totally Wicked product, and I think it works quite great, especially direct dripping. I wouldn't recommend the cartridges for this because it does run a bit hotter. It's more closely resembles 6-volt vaping, and it just, I personally would find it would burn a cart up. So the best way to go is direct dripping, just like on the 510. Now it does produce a bit more vapor. The flavor I find is a little better, not significant. The throat hit is quite considerably better than the regular standard atomizer. Now this is a Tornado Mega Cartomizer. It's quite a big unit. It screws directly onto your standard or stronger batteries. Looks a little like this. Kind of gives you a cigar shape, in my opinion. This is quite the beast. It'll hold 2.5 milliliters of fluid, which is pretty well all-day vaping, even for heavy vapors. I filled it up yesterday, and I'm still going strong on it today. The vapor production is quite good. The flavor holds out real well in it. And aside from that, the throat hit is also quite good. And last but not least, this here is racked to a standard 510 cart, or I'm sorry, atomizer, using a regular cartridge modded with blue foam. I don't know if you can see it quite well, but there's blue foam in there, Marineland Rite Size U, shaped to plug. I find that the blue foam gives great flavor production as well. Vapor production is good. Throat hit, it suffers a little bit, but it's not bad. I tend to like it myself. As far as cartridges goes, I don't care for the polyfill. I find the blue foam much better. So there you have it. Tornado from Totally Wicked. 510 atomizer. No matter how you go, you can't go wrong. Great product, great price, really reliable, good for a new user or even someone who's been vaping for quite a while. Highly gets my recommendations. Thanks for watching.